Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video we are taking a look of ChatGPT, how to use it. So guys, go to any favorite browser and type ChatGPT and you can open the first link. Now it is, you can see over here ChatGPT 3 and 4 is also available. So guys, this is the interface. You can see using this you can even have your any coding without typing a lot. So I'm gonna show you the basics how to use it. You can over here click over here, try ChatGPT. It will ask you to sign in or sign up. We are going to go for sign in. I will prefer to continue with Google, not continue with Microsoft, and continue with Google. So guys, as you can see, interface looks something like this. You can just simply hit next and done, and you can see the interface looks something like this. Whatever you want, you can have a type right over here, how to make app. You can see the ChatGPT will show you the exact things right over here. And if you want, you can type whatever. For example, like how if you want some coding, you can ask ChatGPT. If you want any articles write for you by AI technology, you can ask over here. So guys, it will be a small video. I just want to show you this. So guys, if you want me to make a complete video of this, so leave me a comment and don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.